This is ERi-TV. Dear viewers, welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. I'm Bersabet Taghla, reporting live from the headquarters in Asmara, and these are the major headlines for today. Microcredit and savings program in Northern Red Sea region achieves significant milestones. Monetary contributions made to support families of martyrs. At least 112 people dead in Chile as forest fires continue to ravage the country. And catastrophic flooding to hit California as bad weather continues. On your domestic reports, the microcredit and savings program in the Northern Red Sea region has achieved significant milestones in 2023, disbursing over 27 million nafa in loans to customers. The report was presented during an activity assessment meeting held on February 2 in the port city of Massawa. Mr. Abdu Ibrahim, the head of the program in the region, highlighted that the program is actively operating in 132 administrative areas and 414 villages. Out of the total loan amount of 27 million nafa, a remarkable 25 million nafa has already been successfully repaid by customers. Mr. Abdu further announced the reactivation of village banks in the administrative areas of Abelo, Mo'o, Gibgib, Filket and Deskile, with the aim of providing greater access to loans for residents in remote areas. Additionally, a new branch has been inaugurated in the port city of Massawa, exclusively catering to government employees. Recognizing the positive impact of the microcredit and savings program on the livelihoods of many citizens, Mr. Tafla Asmerom, the acting manager of the program, emphasized the need for coordinated efforts from stakeholders and administrators. During the meeting, participants engaged in an in-depth discussions and endorsed several recommendations, including the establishment of village banks in the Adobha subzone and selected areas of Karura subzone. These initiatives will further enhance the reach and the effectiveness of the program, ultimately benefiting more individuals and communities in the Northern Red Sea region. Eritrean nationals residing in various countries have made generous monetary contributions in support of the families of martyrs and to augment the Martyrs Trust Fund. A total of 7,330 Swiss francs, 3,960 euros, 1,000 Canadian dollars and 89,000 nafa have been raised for this noble cause. The Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare reported that Eritrean nationals in Switzerland, including Mr. Habtom Zakarias, Mr. Gabrahiwat Taghlai, Ms. Lula Kubrom, Ms. Rosina Tesfai, Ms. Azebi Kaalo, Mr. Tesfalidet Gabraab, Mr. Atakhilti Haile, Mr. Solomon Tadesse, Ms. Jerome Farajai, Mr. Samson Tawalde Berhan, Mr. Mengis Taghla Mariam, Mr. Marhawi Mikael, and Ms. Sanayit Siyum have collectively contributed 5,760 Swiss francs to support 8 families of martyrs. The Eritrean community in Canton Bern, Switzerland, have also demonstrated their solidarity by contributing 1,570 Swiss francs, which will benefit 4 families of martyrs. Furthermore, 28 nationals residing in Leiden, the Netherlands, have contributed 3,960 euros in support of 11 families of martyrs, while a compassionate individual in Canada has donated $1,000 to support 1 family of martyr. In a similar vein, the Eritrean community in Halmstad, Sweden, has generously contributed 39,000 nafa to augment the Martyrs Trust Fund. Mr. Gastifanos, a national residing in Canada, has also contributed 50,000 nafa to further bolster the Martyrs Trust Fund. On your last local report, the National Association of Hearing Impaired Citizens in the Central Region has organized a sign language training program for 26 civil servants, which includes 18 females from the region. Ms. Merhawit Tarraqa, the trainer, emphasized the importance of regular practice to enhance the sign language skills of the participants. She encouraged them to actively develop their proficiency in sign language. A representative of the trainees expressed the significance of this training in bridging the communication gap for citizens with hearing impairments who work within their respective organizations. Mr. Daniel Gebramariam, chairman of the association branch, stated that the association is committed to expanding this training program throughout the region. He affirmed that the program will continue with dedication aimed to empower more individuals with the essential skills of sign language communication. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international reports and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. At least 112 people were killed by forest fires which raged across central Chile over the past 3 days, as officials extended curfews in the cities most heavily affected by the blazes. In Viña del Mar, in the Valparaiso region, the flames destroyed the city's famous botanical garden, founded in 1931, while at least 1,600 people lost their homes. Many residents found themselves trapped by the blazes as the fires devoured several neighborhoods on the eastern edge of the city. According to officials, about 200 people were reported missing in Viña del Mar and the area surrounding the city, which counts 300,000 residents. According to officials, the fires have already burned through 8,000 hectares of forests and urban areas. On today's final report, mudslides, flooding and strong winds are battering Southern California as a second day of storms drenches one of the most populous parts of the U.S. Heavy rain of up to 2.54 centimeters an hour could hit areas around Los Angeles for at least 24 hours from today. The Weather Prediction Service, part of the National Weather Service, issued a level 4 warning for rainfall in parts of the Southern California and said that potentially life-threatening and catastrophic flash flooding threatened the Los Angeles basin and surrounding area. A state of emergency has been declared in 10 of the state's counties. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Microcredit and savings program in Northern Red Sea region achieves significant milestones. Monetary contributions made to support families of martyrs. At least 112 dead in Chile as forest fires continue to ravage the country. And catastrophic flooding to hit California as bad weather continues. That was all for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching and have a good one.